Hi students, welcome back. How are you? Can you follow the class? How was the previous class? Is the concept clear? Okay. Till now we have covered 3/4 of the chapter. Today we are going to complete the chapter. So the remaining topic is diversity in roots. Before watching this video, you should have watched part 1 to part 3 and the link has been given in the description box. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Look at these pictures. Can you name them? The first one is banyan tree and the second one is scupine. Scupine is a type of pine. Can you find any peculiarity in them? If you can, tell me the peculiarity. Yes, that is the right answer. We can see roots above the soil. Can you see the roots above the soil? And these roots support the plants. Therefore, the roots seen above the soil to support the plants are known as prop roots and stilt roots. Let me repeat it. The roots seen above the soil to support the plants are known as prop roots and stilt roots. Can you follow me? Okay. But there is a difference between prop roots and stilt roots. Let us look at that. Now, if we take banyan tree as an example, we can see the roots growing downwards from the branches. But in case of scupine, you can see the roots growing downwards from the stem. So in case of banyan tree, roots are growing downwards from the branches, but in case of scupine, roots are growing downwards from the stem. Therefore, it is clear that there is a difference between prop roots and stilt roots. So let us see what's the definition for prop roots and stilt roots. Prop roots are the roots that grow downwards from the aerial branches. Example, banyan tree. So, prop roots are the roots that grow downwards from the aerial branches. So, example is banyan tree. And stilt roots are the roots that grow downwards from the stem. Example, scupine. So, stilt roots are the roots that grow downwards from the stem. Example, scupine. So, roots seen in banyan tree are prop roots and the roots seen in scupine are stilt roots. Now, we know that prop roots and stilt roots are roots seen above the soil to support the plants. So, can we conclude that roots are used not only to absorb water minerals but also to provide support to the plants? Yes, we can conclude. So, roots are used not only to absorb water minerals but also to provide support to the plants. Is it clear, my dear children? Is there any doubt? If you have any doubt, please comment it. So, our next topic is mangroves. Mangroves are special kinds of plants growing in marshy areas. Marshy area means an area of land where water covers ground for long period of time. So mangroves are special kind of plants that grows in marshy areas. Now the tip of their roots grow towards the atmosphere. If you look at this picture, you can see the tip of the roots are growing towards the atmosphere. And these roots helps in gases exchange. So such roots are called as pneumatophores. You should be careful when you pronounce it because P is silent and we pronounce as pneumatophores. Now we are moving to the next section, that is storage roots and underground roots. So let us see what are storage roots. Roots that store food are called storage roots. Let me repeat it. Roots that store food are called storage roots. And the examples are beetroot, carrot and many more. Next one is underground stem. Stem that is modified to store food are called underground stem. Let me repeat it. Stem that is modified to store food are called underground stem. And the examples are ginger, onion, etc. So is it clear, my dear children? Is there any doubt? If you have any doubt, please comment it. So this is the end of the chapter and we are going to wind up. Thank you.